Hello viewers, today we talk about music sends a playable chill through the brain and scientists can see it. Let's start. Whether it's Mozart or metal, listening to music can be an intense, even euphoric experience. Hearing your favorite tune might bring up joyful memories, soaked in nostalgia, while a soaring melody might send a chill down your spine. This tiny chill sensation you feel can actually be seen on brain scans, has been linked to an activation of the brain's reward and pleasurable system in previous brain imaging studies. Now scientists have analyzed the patterns of brain activities associated with pleasurable musical chills. In this study, a high-density EEG device was used to measure waves of electricity activity in people's brain as they listened to music with headphones in their ears and electrodes on their scalps. The research team asked 11 women and 7 men who said they often experience waves of musical pleasure to listen of a 15-minute collection of 90-second sound bites. Some experts were taken from the participants' favorite chill include music and other recordings were selected by the researchers. Previously, research has shown that musical chills occur in two phases: the anticipation before peak chill as the music is building and the pleasure is growing, which is followed by a second peak pleasure phase. The 18 music lovers in this study reached up to EEG reported when they felt a chill coming on. More than 300 hair-raising goosebump making chill were recorded, each lasting roughly 9 seconds on average. By looking at the EEG readings, the researchers were able to defeat other chills outside of these predicted moments as well. And some people's results had to be excluded from the analysis if, for example, they experienced 0 instances of musical chills during the experiments. The good news is that researchers found no relationship between the number of pleasure chills experienced and the year of musical training a person may have had, meaning even if you lack musical talents, that's no better to feeling chills, you can still enjoy music all the same. Further analysis of the EEG results showed that when participants experienced a chill and their arousal rating increased, brain activity also increased in the prefrontal cortex, the front lobe of the brain. Using an algorithm, the research traces this activity at the surface of the brain down an activation of the orbitofrontal cortex, a brain region which sits above the eye socket, integrated sensory experience and process emotions. They also identified 2 specific patterns of chill associated with activity in the mind-brain supplementary motor area or SMA and the right temporal lobe of regions which process sound and may be related to musical application. Results are in line with findings from previous imaging studies, also showing activation of these brain regions which can trigger the brain's reward system and release of the feel-good hormone dopamine. The study also unlocks new avenues for research. The fact that we can measure this phenomenon with EEG brings opportunities for study in other contexts in scenarios that are more natural and within groups, said neuroscientist Thibault Cabin from the University Bourgogne France, commented in France. Unlike brain imaging machines, wireless EEG instruments are easily transportable, and as this study shows, EEG could be a promising tool for measuring musical pleasure in a concert hall or at a show. Doing so might produce somewhat different results to these last experiments, since the 18 people involved in this study were expecting to feel chill, including movements. Plus, further research could tell us more about why listening to live music can be such a rewarding experience, or how the pleasure of good music is shared amongst friends and in groups, which some of us might be sorely missing in these pandemic times. We want to measure how cerebral and physiological activities of multiple participants are coupled in natural social musical settings, said Chabin. Musical pleasure is a very interesting phenomenon that deserves to be investigated further in order to understand why music is rewarding and unlock why music is essential in human lives. So that's enough for this video. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icons for more updating videos. Thank you.